Today we have a 1959 Nash Metropolitan project car for you on Unique Classic Cars. This one powered by a 1.5 liter inline 4-cylinder engine paired to a 3-speed manual transmission. As you can see, nice looking project. Paint overall isn't that bad. Color matched steel wheels. Glass is looking pretty good. We have seats. This car is going to come with extra parts. Take a look at all the pictures. Here's some right here. Some door panel parts, some rubber strips, more. The Nash Metropolitan was a British import sold through Hudson. This particular one built between June and July of 1959. Comes with newer brake parts as well as a new battery. Remember, we do consider trades and we can arrange for transportation. See that windshield? Maybe a scratch here and there. It's a project car. Let's have a look at that interior. As you can see, the door panels are removed currently. There is glass in the door. The other door, we have the window up. And you can see that glass. Inside and in the back here, there's a roll of carpet. That's another part that comes with it. These seats will tilt forward. There's room to sit in the back. Let's have a look inside. Under the dash, we have a water gauge, oil pressure gauge. They've had this running. It is a running, driving, and stopping car. Shut the door. Let's see how she runs. Now to start it, you just turn the key to the right, pull the starter knob. Choke in the right spot. There she goes, purring like a kitten. Here's the shifter right here mounted in the column. Let's get out and see what it sounds like. Now the choke is set a little bit right now, so it's idling a little high. But it runs really good. It runs really quiet. Make a great car for somebody. Let me pause this and open that hood. There we have the 1.5 liter inline 4-cylinder engine. Nice looking engine, painted up. Not a lot to do looks wise under that hood. Let's see the bottom of the hood. Looking good. Be sure to check out all the pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. You can see everything up close, inside and outside the car. Remember, we do consider trades and we can arrange for transportation. 1959 Nash Metropolitan project car. Give us a call at 507-386-1726.